So Hlathi wants his son to take his surname, give him a new name, and to be on the baby's birth certificate. I know that you guys are pissed about this, which is why I wanted us to talk about it here on this video. But before we even start with the video, I wanted to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I am really glad that Zoleka chose Lazarus this time around. I was so worried that Lazarus was going to be all alone on this one. Ever since this scene, I was thinking that Zoleka was going to go back to Hlathi. Phela, we all know what they say about baby daddies and baby mamas. So this cozy scene of Hlathi and Zoleka got me worried, more especially since Hlathi even kicked Lazarus out during the baby ceremony. So what happened here is that Hlathi went toe-to-toe with Lazarus on the recent episode of Inimba. You would swear that they were going to throw punches because the conversation was so tense. And me explaining this is not enough, which is why I think that the visuals that are playing on screen right now will tell you all of it. So this fuss was caused by the fact that Hlathi wants to change the baby's name, surname, and wants to be on the baby's birth certificate. Now, he wants everything to remain as it is, which I don't think is normal, as much as Hlathi is a dog. But imagine your son using another man's surname. I don't think what you call him. I think Telez and Zoleka should just give Hlathi what he wants, and that is the only right thing to do, and that is according to me. So guys, also comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions about this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.